The team at the back, can we throw down the cloth? Team at the scaffold, can we bring the cloth down?
Once the cloth is done, we're going to request that the leadership moves to the right to unveil the historical plate.
Uno, two,
usishaka sishayeki umntaka senza ngakhona ushaka ngesaba lokuthi kushaka ngokushaka kwakwinkosi yasemashobeni umntwana wafazi bakwaNomgaba abebele uthekula ehlezi emlovini bethi ushaka kanubusa bethi kayikwenkosi kanti kulepheza unethezeka khona umlilo wothathe kamjokwana umlilo wothathe wathi kwamhango oshisa iphofeza endlebe kwazi kwempasha esemabezana inkomo ekhale emthonjaneni izizwe zonke izulukulila obizwe kuthusha asoyengweni ezomanqeneza ekwabakhali akhangele ezantsi ebanamadumelo inkomo zawushayo ebazamlandela bemalandela ezomsokosi ezisekwendiki yabekamavela ngameve lamabelengakadliwa angangebhisa amasongolono bamphekengembhisa ebipheka amakhosi amantombasi bavuthusha bakatemba bayilandi nkomo elandwanakhedama babasekhakonina isu lelidumehlangomuzi abaqabekeni ithi bethathihlangu ezamaphela azimahlendlwana ezalonguzide emapheleni phathumabeni ezalonguzide emapheleni phathukepha ezalonguzide emapheleni phathumpoto kumelela kwezinde emapheleni phathumjajasi ezalongugaqa emapheleni phathuzigaba babakantathu phathumkashana kwabasoxoxoni dande ngankalo eyakuya ngankalo ewajabula amathanjeni abantu abakatoye abafa begodola babemecingwana abengonyameni inkonye nephela phezulu emakwantambasi bathi yahlawula kanti bona bezasikuhlola indlophethe emuka babeqobezelela ababalanga indlovu ebuyisa inhloko ezamadoda usishandondlo abakamjokwana ukusika nehloko behlukene abakwantambasi ababalanga abodolomanci yabaphezulu yabakumumbango yabakwanyuswa bakungabangalutho yabakwanyuswa bakuzinkakufa nje sisemanqweni sithi jekejekejeke kalindemajuba silwanehelele emzini abantu silwanebelutho silwanebelula bakwathi bandlela ukebeka imboni kwehla bengamanceneza bathi bengaphumashe basesinyamalala ugasane yababolukandaba ugasane abakithi babulakayo okade basa luyigasela bizamadoda lugasele uphumashe ezalomthelesi abantu bomthando ehleze bandla bakaseluhleba abambhekane bakaselufaku emapondweni bakaselugabushe emapondweni bakaselumancingwana emasegonyameni ilanga eliphandleni nje ebabemsebe abeliphandla esemthandeni inyethi kandaba egabememphoto engomzimvubu amapondo esabile lokuyehlela nibagabushe nanibafaku nize ningamthinti nomntakandaba kodwa banithintile babe nithintikuba enathinta umageba usibagodlela ale kwekadla alugodlela njalo lusha amadoda amadodana ingabekafaka ebekajibana emadlekishakokomo ekamashaki enyamazane isixhokelo uhlondlana kandaba uyaluhlezi lahle tujotubele beka isihlangu emadolweni umaswazisela ebangwakithi kwabulawayo swaziselufite amagaqula ayingasakhali inkomo kwantobazekomo ayidikhala kithi kwabulawayo unkosho omntomsha amgqothele futhi nayakulapaka imthande khona imthande kadufite kwabuzabulanga Abase babe kuncinci, babe mnyama thula, abazozibili, babe njengehlaba, awuzivela, baphatha inkambede, ebumntakajama, ufike ezulwini, lapho ney'thutha, abamageba, engasefuna khona, ngathi siyaphela, ethubathuba, amasinyana, umthwa kancane, engakhona, ekwizinana, mgomogomonde, onomongo, othubakha, angofota, ozanomqobo, ozanomqobo, ingwe, abovu, eyibheke, engayithela, sikhulu babuka, oyinqina, ngathi amathathu, ebekubani, imambi luhlaza, evunabani, umbelathubathikali, kathi solelo, kathi basingekubo, eloyelayo, umatha, ngambeni, ikukuku, umuntu bawazi, lapho yayo, umuntu bawazi, lapho kuyayo, abe uhle, uyosamaphosi, nyama, isana kakhona, okuyona, eyazela, ensiza, okuhlanganikayo, umhlaba wonke, ethokoza uhulumeni ukuthi, bathuma, kuyizona izithombe, bavuma, ibasifumalaka, kulezindlela, naligama, nalenkundla, baba into enkulu, enhle, esibusiso, abanikazi besizwe, nakuzulu wonke, nasemhlabeni wonke, indikhula ngonyaka, kulesikhulu, siyazi-ke ukuthi kuze kube namuhla, kwenze injoya lokubabekana namezi, abake ulalele, lomkomemeza, komeza bakakhala, engakhalila, futhi asikukelekika, ngalendlela, okalandela, bekheleke, kuze inhlakandaba, bemthuka, bemkofula, bekuthulika ikusa, ekumamposi, wayengekho ngonyama, abasiboni, bafukuhle kangaka, babemise, umfana ngazathi, olusinkomo, wakafanana, nekwakushaya, siyakuthokozela ngonyama. Esikhathi sakuba kwenzeke lokho, siyamthokoza uMongameli ukuba ngesikhathi sakhe kwenzeke lo mlando ojulile osuwedlule emaphuzeni amabili eminyaka uyibena
Wena wendlovu bayethe
Well, now request His Majesty, His Excellency, and the Premier to move towards the right to unveil the plaque and the historical plaque. We also want the media to come closer in a very organized way for photo opportunities. Only the accredited media. They said okay, please those who are here, make sure that you don't block the view of the broadcasters. I suggest that you rotate, you take pictures, you move, you allow other space. There's a request that you move back to your allocated spaces. Let's avoid chaos. Members of the media. We are now ready. I'm going to do the countdown. 3, 2, 1, 0. Yay!
Excellency the President, the Honorable Premier and the dignitaries of the Constitution, Masinyane, Izinkulu Yesilo, Taroma, Izinkulu Omama, Bantwana basendlini zonke. Ukufunda egameni likahulumeni umbhalo obuyokhumbula isilo sethu endlini zamakhosi. Baqulethwe ngesilungu nangesizulu, ziqaleke ngesizulu. Balike kanjena-ke zilungise lesi sithombe mfanekiso sesilo ushaka wesizwe samaZulu sembuko ngokusemthethweni isilo umsuzulu wazwelithi isilo sesizwe samaZulu. Umhlonishwa umnumzane Cyril Matamela Ramaphosa, umongameli wezwe laseNingizimu Afrika. Umhlonishwa umnumzane Arthur Thamsanqa Ntuli, ilungu lesishayamthetho undunankulu waKwaZulu Natal ngomhla ka-7 November 2024. Ngicela sishaye izandla. Yesilungu kulotshwe kanjena. In English it reads thus: this statue of King Shaka of the Zulu Nation was officially unveiled by His Majesty King Misuzulu Kazwelithini, King of the Zulu Nation, His Excellency Cyril Matamela Ramaphosa, President of the Republic of South Africa. At least in English I can recall the names. Honorable Mr. Arthur Thamsanqa Ntuli, MPL, Premier of KwaZulu Natal, on the 7th of November 2024, we can claim. We will now request the leadership, His Majesty, His Excellency, and the Honorable Premier to give the media the photo opportunity first, maybe on the stage to Hlangalezwe, and then on the unveil. Oh, there is still the historical plaque, I'm sorry. The historical plaque, which has got the history of our king, is also going to be unveiled. After that, it will be the photo opportunity. My co-program director will direct the photo opportunity.
Thank you very much.